Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure Google Assistant is active and you've granted mic and location permissions. Once done, open the Google Home or Assistant app and select the target speaker or phone. Now tap Routines or Add Action to begin creating a custom voice command. You're doing this now to capture the exact trigger phrase and initial action. Doing it in the app ensures the command links to the right device and account before adding specifics. Next, define the trigger phrase and stack actions in order. Say the phrase aloud as the true test. Short and distinct phrases work best. Then add actions. Assistant replies, smart home controls, media, or a webhook. Insert delays between steps if timing matters. Make sure to use built-in actions first for reliability and only add custom text responses or scripts when needed. This sequencing is how you control timing and ensure. Finally, test the new voice command aloud and from the app. Listen for timing issues and confirm each action executed. If something fails, check that the routine is saved to the correct Google account and device, verify microphone and assistant permissions, and ensure any linked services are authorized. If responses overlap, add short delays between actions or simplify the trigger phrase. Once it behaves reliably, save the routine and use it, but retest after updates or device changes to keep it working.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.